Hi everyone, it's Victoria James and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that red subscriber button and become a JVay and join the JVay fam where we chit chat and all that about luxury and high-end beauty. Today is just a regular day, y'all. I wanted to just look pretty because it's gloomy outside. I think it's like in the mid 50s, low 60s, something like that, but it's like super overcast. And I was like, man, I want to do something cute. Bring a little sunshine to the room, okay? So that's what I'm doing. Join me while I put together my face, and I hope you enjoy. Details will be on the screen, but they will also be in the description box for you to shop. And if you do choose to shop, then I would appreciate you clicking through my links so that I can invest that money back into the channel. Those little commissions add up. All right, y'all, I'm going to put on some tunes for you to get into while we do our makeup, and I will see you at the end of the video. gosh, y'all. I was in the zone. After I did my mascara, I totally forgot that I was supposed to be recording because the camera overheated. So I'm just going to run down for you where we're at. So I used a combo of a few different highlighters. Just, you know, playing in makeup, right? So I started off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Iced Out Highlighter. And this is supposed to be a dupe for the Amrezy that's discontinued. Y'all remember this one? So I used that one first. And then on my nose, I used Westman Atelier's Nectar? Parla. I used Westman Atelier's Lit Up Highlight Stick in Parla on my nose. And then I said, I want a little more sparkle. You know, I want to sparkle a little bit. So we used the Dior Forever Glow Maximizer in Pearly. Just to add a little something right there. And then whatever was left over, I took it down my nose as well. And then for blush, I used Bobbi Brown's Pot Rouge. And this one is in Plum Flame. This is a cream blush. Which looks like this. I'm trying to find something to top it with. And I'm thinking I'm going to use the Givenchy. Yeah, because that's a little too deep right there. Almost rosewood tone to it. What's this here? Paradise Venus. Yeah, I guess we could give that. I haven't used that in a while. This isn't very plummy. You know what? Let me bust out an oldie but goodie, child. Ravish from Thomas. Yeah. 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 That's pretty, man. I love this blush. Why you discontinue these blushes? Cut that out, Thomas. So, quick question, y'all. Have we just been looking at old pictures of Tom Ford, or is he really that fine in his 70s? Or has he just been perpetually putting out 40 to 50-year-old, like, pictures of him in his 40s and 50s? Is he really that fine at 70? Because that's the kind of fella I could be. That is so pretty. I wasn't even supposed to be talking for this video. Let me get back to doing the voice, the silent treatment. right, y'all, that's the look. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and comment in the comment section which products were your favorite, which ones you have, which ones you are interested in getting. Let's chit chat and all that as we do on this channel. And subscribe if you haven't already. Become a J-Bay, join the J-Bay fam. Would love to have you here. We're trying to get to 3,000 before the end of the year. And I love my J-Bays. So with that said, I want to thank you all for watching, let you know I love you, and you have a great rest of your day. Mwah. Bye.